What's up, guys? It's Lee here, the bartending, photo boothing, rental guy, and welcome to the mini vlog. Today we're talking about the bounce house. Remember the bounce house? I bought this thing in winter. It's 13 feet by 14 and a half feet, and it's perfect, easy for customers to pick up so that I don't have to worry about it. I'll take a small damage deposit on it every time, and if it comes back dirty, then they get the cleaning charge. They don't get the cleaning charge back, so. The beauty of this bounce house is that you can come pick it up from us. It'll fit in the back of your car, or you can come have us deliver it to you. And it's renting out every weekend now. Customers come pick it up, and then they bring it back to me. And you're probably wondering how it's going. I bought it from Wayfair. Anyways, it's going good. Let's get into it. Anyways, with this bounce house, it's been really good. I've been warning a lot of customers. You bring it back dirty, you get charged. And so it's been coming back clean, perfect, clean, perfect, clean, perfect, clean, dirty, dirty, dirty. And so I thought about this. I was like, Kate, you know what? This is BS. So I had to go to the field and I had to vacuum it out and I had to wash it out, and it was a big job. And then I started to think about it. Well, why don't, maybe somebody's renting this bounce house and they don't have the proper supplies to clean it. And it's like, okay, I'm going to rent this bouncer out, but you're also going to get the shop vac, you're going to get the cleaning kit, and you're going to get the rags. And if it doesn't come back clean, guess what? You're getting a $150 cleaning charge because you're lazy and no good. And that's it. And so that's what I do. When I book it out to people, I ask them, hey, do you want the cleaning kit? Some people don't have a shop vac that can get right in there really quick. Some people don't have the proper chemicals. We've got it all. We can send you with the cleaning kit, and then you clean it when you're done, and then you bring it back spick and span to us, and there won't be any additional charges. Or you get charged. And it's working. I got to tell you, it's working. So anyone in the comments who wants to say, what the heck are you doing? Go for it, because this is an awesome idea. I love it. Adopt it. I'm going to call this video $1,000 to freedom, because if you have some spare time, this bounce house might cost you around $1,000, depending if you're in the States or Canada. $1,000, then you could buy a bounce house, rent it out for $180 a pop. I bought a bounce house and I'm picking it up today just from my shop here, and I'm going to bring it home for the kids to bounce. I technically haven't even rented it out yet, but I've rented it out many times. So just by buying it and having it on my website through the winter, I've already booked it out 10 or 12 times. It's already paid for itself and it hasn't even gone out yet. So you could potentially just throw a bounce house on your website during the winter, because you know that no one's gonna book it, or you can set a date so that it won't be released until that date, so people can just book it for the future, and then you can own your bounce house. See that blue thing right there? Bounce house. Bouncer here. This is a nylon bouncer. You want to stay away from this bouncer because it's not commercial. It says it's commercial. It's a lie, so don't get that kind. So I bought it from Wayfair for $1,600. Yes, you can buy commercial bouncers from Wayfair about $1,600. That's Canadian, so it's less in the States. A lot less in the States, actually. Just got a tarp for about $20, 15 feet by 20 feet. I mean, you could be rolling up to any backyard. Take, for instance, my backyard. There was a pool last year. It looks like a big pile of poop. So obviously it needs a tarp. So all you have to do is take a few pictures, take a video of it, put it up on Facebook Marketplace and start renting it out. I guarantee that you'll get a return in profit. Just make some rules, right? No dogs, no food. And if they return it dirty, well, then they get charged a cleaning fee. Take a credit card. Come on.